I read many trading books over the past 10 years, and the problem is that a lot of them kinda say the same thing. That's a head and shoulders, this is the MACD, buy at support, sell at resistance. I quickly came to the conclusion that good game-changing trading books are rare. So today I want to recommend you some books that will actually upgrade your trading. Most of them contain an aha moment, a concept or an idea that will definitely help you become a better trader. You know the drill. Like, subscribe, and stick around for the full video. After I learned the basics of technical analysis, I often felt nervous when entering a trade, mostly because I was unsure about the price action and whether the trade really had the power to continue the trend. Well, this book explains the basics of candlesticks along with the influence of volume to provide clues on where the market may be headed next. Understanding volume is the missing yet critical piece to really read the charts. It will help you to understand market sentiment around the price action by looking at changes in volume. It explains the concept of volume never being able to mislead, why and how markets are moved by the smart money. The methods presented in the book can be used as a strategy or as an additional reference for your strategies. This is a must-read for anyone who takes trading seriously. Trading is about controlling emotions. This book talks about the emotional mistakes people make. This is one of the most practical trading psychology books out there. Its greatest strength is the balance it strikes between theory, real-life examples, and concrete action plans. The author talks about the problems traders tend to run into and gives very specific plans for how to deal with them. You will learn to dig through your psychological issues, layer by layer, and find what is holding you back in your trading. What is different about this book is the fact that you'll actually find steps to resolve mental barriers hindering you from performing at your peak. If you are willing to put in some work, it will make a big difference in your trading. Read this book, get a pen, and start taking notes. Being able to know the experiences of professional traders is a powerful knowledge. This book shows you that there are many ways to succeed in the financial markets. The author interviews professional traders who succeeded using technical analysis, fundamental analysis, mechanical trading systems, and discretionary trading. You will be surprised to read how different the top trader strategies can be. The facts relate to the 70s and 80s, but the principles used are as relevant today as they were back then. The book contains many tips and gems of wisdom from some of the best traders to apply to your own trading. Every single interview has something useful. It doesn't contain exact strategies, technical analysis, or charts. You will not learn how to trade, but you will just understand that there is no holy grail in trading, and that there is no one exact way how to trade. Instead, you get the mindsets of these great traders and many great ideas for being successful in the market. Market manipulation, Wyckoff, and volume. If you read this book, you will learn a lot about price action and the deception that the market can do to you when trading. This book explains why price moves occur and how to recognize the underlying forces at work in the financial market. An excellent read if you want to go deeper into the volume trading and find more about the relationship between price, spread, and volume. You'll learn the basics of volume spread analysis, and you'll discover the causes of price movements, namely the imbalance of supply and demand. You'll also learn the main signs that will allow you to identify the participation of the large players on the chart, which will allow you to make sensible analysis about where the price is most likely to go. You will have many aha moments, and by using these techniques, you will have an advantage over the average retail trader. The Wyckoff method is not a mechanical, rule-based trading methodology, but rather a discretionary method relying on you being able to do a good job in analyzing the market. Well, this book is one of the best ways to learn the big picture, to learn the foundation of successful Wyckoff trading. The book begins with supply and demand concepts and order flow. Each of those components are then examined at a deeper level, and you'll get a clear understanding of price and volume dynamics. You'll also understand what is really behind accumulation and distribution, and how it actually works. The book outlines each phase in the accumulation or distribution process, and then gives detailed explanation of why each step occurs and what to look out for in different scenarios. You'll learn the logic of the market cycles and usual patterns that appear repeatedly during accumulation and distribution. If you want to truly understand market structure and how to profit from it, this book will speed up your learning curve without a doubt. What makes you a better trader is not just learning technical analysis and calculating when to get in and when to get out. It's about learning from other people's psychology. This book will help you with various psychological aspects of trading. The approach of sharing stories of other traders helps with connecting with this book on a personal level. It contains lots of stories from different traders, and it's very easy to relate to them, even as a beginner. And it doesn't just help you see and understand the problems you have with trading, it also gives you actionable ideas to correct those mistakes as well. The advice, stories, and perspectives in this book will keep you focused, motivated, and most importantly, will help you find the path to self-mastery. You'll discover insight on keeping your emotions in check, self-discipline, and risk management. It covers real problems faced by traders in their own words, like focusing on a few good setups, handling a series of losses, revenge trading, setting goals, and even diet and sleep. Very useful if you know you have the technical ability to trade, but you are still struggling to actually apply your ideas. This book takes it down to the nitty-gritty of technical analysis, price action without oscillators, only with the 20 EMA as an indicator. When I read it the first time, I came from a background of indicator-based trading. I couldn't imagine trading without MACD and stochastic on my charts. This book is one of the few materials I've read that actually helped me and will probably change your approach to trading. It will help you understand the psychology behind the market and the rationale behind its moves. This is one of the few books that will actually teach you how to trade by understanding the actions of the market participants. You'll learn how to see through price action, to recognize market traps, and to capitalize on high-quality opportunities that occur daily. You'll understand how indicators reveal what happened, whereas reading price action gives an immediate heads up as to what's really going on and the psychology behind it. This is not a trading strategy book, rather a book trying to teach you the language that the market speaks. You can apply the concepts for scalping, day trading, and even swing trading. If you are serious about trading and want to learn pure price action, you need to read this book. Most people want to learn a trading strategy, but they forget a very important part, their mindset. If your mindset is not right, whatever trading system you use, you're gonna lose money. And this book can fix this. There are very few trading books that are must-reads, and this is one of them. A must-read for any trader. As I said, this book covers one of the most important skills in trading, your mindset. The author teaches you how to read the market from an objective perspective and how conflicting beliefs can get in the way of this. Reading it will change your perspective of trading. This is not a how-to-trade book for beginners. It assumes you already know how to read charts and conduct technical analysis. Instead, it focuses on trading psychology and talks about your emotional defense mechanisms and what attitude is required to avoid the pitfalls that cause 90% of traders to fail. Full with psychological and behavioral principles, This book will help you get to the bottom of your trade issues and figure out how to decondition yourself from making errors. Reading this book forces you to take a step back and analyze yourself to accept that your trading results are a result of your mental framework. You'll learn to overcome the fear of missing out, losing money, being wrong, and if you implement it right, you will gain consistency in your trading. This is a good book for intermediate traders, very concise and to the point. This book is not so much a technical analysis book, although it does cover some topics, but instead covers other aspects like calculating target entry and exit points and the importance of planning. This book basically shows you when to trade and when not to. The author is using just a few key indicators that he uses every day in his trading and concentrates on intraday trading and how to use many different timeframes in order to form an opinion on what the market will be doing in the short term, allowing you to choose good entry and exit points for your trades. It also has a decent part on risk management and also some practical trading strategies. The book is very easy to read and explains very well the author's trading approach. It helps you as a retail trader to realize where you are in relation to the market, and it stresses the importance of a professional approach to retail trading. After you read this book, you'll realize that trading successfully is more than technical analysis. This book addresses the most important issue and the final piece of becoming a successful trader: mastering emotions and understanding how your instincts and mind are working against you. This book is aimed at experienced traders who achieve mediocre results. The author assumes that the poor trading results happen in spite of the fact that most traders are intelligent and understand the basics of fundamental and technical analysis. The author states the main reason for trading failure is the natural human tendency to add to losing positions and to close winning positions too early to lock in the profits. Many traders have the knowledge but fail to execute it despite winning enough trades. The most important edge that a trader can have is emotional stability, courage, and perseverance. Every trader takes losses, but only a few know how to protect their account, remain detached from the results, and take a day off when anger or anxiety are about to interfere with their strategy. This book covers the emotional war that unfolds inside your mind when contemplating an entry and when you are in a trade. The author shows you the reality and what you believe to be rational thinking drift apart once money are involved, and how it threatens your performance. I had many aha moments reading this book, like assuming you're wrong on every trade until the market proves you right. A must-read to improve your mindset. Now, quite a few books in this video cover the psychological aspect of trading. If you want to learn how to trade without emotions and without stress, make sure you watch this video. And check out our Academy program if you want to further level up your trading. Until next time.